What's up, y'all? So, what we got planned for today is a little Prinsu modular roof rack for this little cutie pie out here. We gotta play a little bit of musical cars. I think we're either gonna do it in here. I may move the car out. We're gonna build it in here, and that way we can just move it to there. But I don't know. It's really hot today. We may just do it in the house and see if we can't squeeze it through the door. We also got boom, Cali Raised light bar. Ooh, let's see if I can get in here one-handed. Maybe. Well, you're not really gonna be able to see it, but we got our special little switch here. Once we can make it look legit. Let's see if I can get it. I can't see it through the bag too well. This says light bar. It's better than these little switches they come with. This, I don't know if you guys have ever seen any light bar. All the Sylvia ones come with this little bullshit. Horrible, I don't know, ugly thing, and you're just supposed to glue it on. So we got the nice one for it. Should be pretty simple. We watched videos. So Prinsu has a really nice one. Shows you how to put the whole roof rack together. Seems pretty simple. Shouldn't really take too long, maybe like an hour. This isn't gonna be like an install video or anything, so we're not gonna, like, you know, go full on into putting it all together. That's boring. I know you guys are only here for the dope, so we're just gonna show you the difference between before and after. This is before. It's got the factory roof rack on there. Not too bad. Should be pretty dope. Waiting on Cody to come over. He's gonna help us out a little bit with it, give us some extra hands. Should be pretty dope though, and I'm thinking it's really gonna make a huge difference. We want to do it right, you know. We don't want to be doing it twice. So we got the right light bars, you know, quality stuff. Same thing with the roof rack, it's quality as well. I think this is probably the best roof rack made for the 4RUNNERs. They also make them for the Tacomas. They make some cool stuff. Check them out. I'll put the link in the description. They're pretty dope though, not gonna lie. One more thing I figured we should do, since we're already out here. Go ahead and open it. Came packed really well. Had a bunch of dope stuff on it. Christmas paper. Down in there. So it comes in pieces. We got most of our hardware. It all looks really nice. Nice and shiny. We got the wind deflector, I think, somewhere in here. This is the seal that goes on the bottom of it. Dope. Alright, let's put this bad boy together. We'll be back. I think we're gonna go take the Yukon out. A little bow tie boy action. So hopefully we got enough time to do that. Well, this will be sick. I'm excited. What? If you're gonna do it right, not twice. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll be back. Hopefully we can get it all put together relatively quickly. And then we got to get the light bar on there. We'll show you the before and after pics. We've already taken some dope ones, so should be pretty dope.
2 hours later.
Alright, so here it is. Got the roof rack all put together, pretty much all finished up. The light bar on it. And we'll have to put her up here. I think we're gonna have to cut some of this weather stripping up here to get these little stick ones. It's the no drill one, but you still have to cut your weather stripping. But at least you can replace it if you ever decide to go back. A couple issues we ran into. We tried to we wanted it to sit a little bit lower, kind of flush, so we tried to use the ones that came with the light bar and just use these little things. Basically they slide down into these things, like on this silver one. I don't know if you can see it, but it slides in there. But it was so tight because these are wider, so to get this to slide behind this, it wouldn't do it, so it was pushing it there. Ended up cross-threading one of these, and we have these little bolts here, which I'm not too happy about. You can kind of see them sticking up there, but hopefully we'll get some new ones of these and get them put in. What? Just got to put it on. And we're pretty much all finished up. We got to run the wires to the light bar. I think that's it. I pretty much already know where we're going through, and then we got to wire up our little switch. I think the only thing we're not going to be able to get done is this switch. One of these red wires is to light up the switch itself. You got to tap into like one of your other dash lights, basically. No light up with the dash lights. So we probably won't do that today. That seems a little more in-depth. I got to find a good one to pull from, and you know, all sorts of stuff like that. Probably just end up pulling from one of the ones next to it, but I don't feel like splicing the wire and all that stuff, so we're just gonna get her on there now. Got the old roof rack off already. We're pretty much there. We're fighting it. It was rough. Wasn't too bad though. My neighbor's yelling. Hopefully not at each other. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. We're gonna get her on there, and then we'll be able to do a nice little before and after picture. What? Alright, so we pretty much finished up the light bar and the roof rack on the 4Runner. So we came out to the pits right down the street, you know. Oh, get a little muddy. Into a good day. We still gotta wire up the new switch to make it look nice and clean. It works, everything's all hooked up. We gotta adjust the top bars. Other than that, it's all done. It's on there, nice and sturdy. Super happy with it. Messed a couple things up, as you know, but all in all, it looks sick, super aggressive, and we still had enough time to come out here and rip. Yeah, came out with everybody. Got Ben, Cody, Taylor. What? Ooh. But yeah, so it wasn't too hard. A couple of things were frustrating because we were trying to, you know, use the smaller bracket and stuff so it sit a little more flush. But all in all, not too bad. It's pretty much all done. So that's pretty much it. All we got, and we're just gonna pretty much finish out the day out in the woods, head home, get some sleep, and get ready for work tomorrow. What?